Guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram. So today we have to solve this problem which was recently asked in Uber SDE interview. Okay. Now guys, you are in 2025 and company are not asking the popular repeated standard questions of lead code GFG. So you need to practice new problems as much as possible. Specifically, try to improve your OA and CP skills. This enables you to solve the challenging OA problems of the companies which are generally on HackerRank, HackerEarth, platforms like that. And it also prepares you for new questions of interview, because in your dream companies now little bit new questions are coming, or even if it is a problem, there similar problems might exist on the internet, but there is no guarantee that you have done it or not. That's why it's always very important that you develop the nerve. You develop the nerve for dealing with new questions. You should never feel anxious or problematic whenever you see a new question in front of you. So you need to practice it. Please remember. So today I will teach you, and I will show you how to deal with the new question. Apart from that, guys, this document is very important. Hopefully, all the people in this meeting have this document. Generally, I give congratulations to student before we start the session. Today, I give congratulations to myself. Okay, guys. So congratulations to myself. Okay, for world rank 581 out of 40,000 participants in the lead code bi-weekly contest. Now this has become a little bit normal for me, so congratulations to myself. Now let's start, guys. Let's start. A student has cracked 40 LPSD offer in Nutanix also. Her name is Charul. We will make her selection post either today night or tomorrow. Okay. So guys, this was asked in Uber SD interview. Trip load balancing. Initial problem was asked for k equal to 1. If you solve it for k equal to 1, then Uber will ask you for the follow-up. Okay. Initially, guys, the problem was asked to you for k equal to 1. So you are working on optimizing Uber driver schedules. A driver has n trips scheduled. Each trip Ti has a strictly increasing duration in minutes. The difficulty of the schedule is defined as the maximum difference in duration between any two consecutive trips. To reduce the driver fatigue, Uber allows inserting one extra trip of any positive duration anywhere in the schedule. Okay. After the insertion, the schedule must remain strictly increasing. Okay. Your task: return the minimum possible difficulty, the smallest possible maximum difference between any two consecutive trips after inserting at most one new trip. So guys, understanding is very important in this particular problem. Okay. When you are presented with this problem in the interview, you just have to focus on the understanding. So the understanding is saying what? You are given a strictly increasing array. You have to find the maximum possible consecutive difference of the array. So guys, just to make things easy for you, life should be easy, not a hassle. You are not here to, stay in struggle every time. You need to learn how to enjoy life. So guys, like this, a strictly increasing array is given to you. Everyone react with emojis if they can feel this array in their heart and mind. You just need feelings, nothing else. Feelings are enough. Feelings. Can you feel it, guys? Like this, Uber is giving you an array. Feeling array, Array, I need more emojis for your feelings. Okay. Good. Good Purvanch. Good Isha. Good Pragati. Feelings should be for the question, not for the girls and the crush. Developing feeling for them is easy. You need to learn how to develop feelings for the question. So develop feelings for this array. Can you feel this array in your mind? 2, 5, 8, 10, 100. So what is the consecutive difference? What is the consecutive difference? Well, the difference between 2 and 5 here is 3. This is 8 minus 5, 3. 8 and 10 is 2. And 10 and 100 is 90. So guys, the consecutive differences are 3, 3, 2, 90. Uber is asking what is the maximum consecutive difference. Can anyone tell me? What is the maximum consecutive difference for this array? 3, 3, 2, 90. Which is the topper? Who is the biggest guy? So I will be opening the Google Chat. After opening of the Google Chat, I want all the people in the meeting to just write a simple answer, which is who is the topper. Okay. So guys, I have opened the Google Chat. Can you tell me who is the topper and the number, the value of the topper? 90. Congratulations, great job. So Ojasvi, I really liked your response. Okay, and same goes for Korlam, Nibha, Sachin, Sabia, Aman, Mukut, Ashish, Pintu, Purvan, Sukirat. At any point of time, if you face any doubt, you can ask me. So guys, you have easily solved the problem. All you have to do is that this strictly increasing array is given to you. You just calculate the consecutive differences in O of n. Whatever is the maximum, you print that maximum and the problem is done. But guys, Uber is saying that one more thing now comes into the play. You can insert any number you want. You can insert any number you want anywhere in this array. But the final array should be strictly increasing. But the final array should be strictly increasing. Your goal is to decrease. Your goal is to decrease the maximum consecutive difference by inserting one number of your choice anywhere you want. So guys, think logically about it. You know that the consecutive differences are 3, 3, 2, 90. You know the topper is 90. So guys, you want to decrease the value of the topper. Can anyone tell me that in this array, these are the consecutive differences. You know the largest difference is 90. You want to reduce this 90 to 5, 8, 10, 100. This difference is the culprit. You want to decrease it. What will you do? Where will you insert? Where will you insert your new number? I will open the Google chat. You guys just have to tell me where will you insert the new number. Between which two numbers? Should I put a new number between 2 and 5? Should I put a new number between 5 or 8? Should I put a new number between 8 or 10 or 10 and 100? Guys, react with emojis. Is your mind and brain ready to answer this question? Where should you insert the new number? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Start writing. Where should you insert the new number? Between which two numbers? To kill the maximum difference. Maximum difference is 90. Obviously, you will insert the new number here now between 10 and 100, right? Congratulations. The IQ of my students is very high. Great job. You understood that. Great. Awesome. So you now know 2, 5, 8, 10, 100. This difference is 3. This difference is 3. This difference is 2. This difference is 90. You want to kill this 90. So what will you do? You will insert a new number y. So your final answer is 2, 5, 8, 10, y, 100. Guys, can anyone tell me what value of y should you insert so that it remains strictly increasing? There are two options. Let's see my students use which option. One option is that, 2, 5, 8, 10, and I will put here, let's say 20 and then 100. Another option is 2, 5, 8, 10. Let's say another option. Okay, let's keep it like this only. So guys, when you keep 20, the new differences are what? 10 is coming in the market and 80 is coming in the market. So now the biggest difference is 80 is the answer. Congratulations, you were able to decrease your maximum difference. But guys, can you decrease it even more? Because they are asking that the maximum difference should be as minimum as possible. This is a very big, trap. पहली बात तो बोल रहे मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस निकालो, उसके बाद ये बोल रहे कि 90 जितना हो सके उतना छोटा भी करना है उसको, तो तुमने उसको 80 कर दिया. क्या 80 से और छोटा किया जा सकता था? Right? Yes, in the Google chat, if you think there is a way to insert some other number instead of 20 to get the largest difference less than even 80. Right? Yes, in the Google chat, if you think that is the truth. What do you think? Guys, can you use your brain and tell me which number should I insert in the middle? Which will be the best option? 2, 5, 8, 10, question mark 100. What should I put at question mark so I get the best result? Middle number, guys. This is the median concept. The difference is always minimum when you put the middle number. Why? See, use common sense. If I put 10 here, 11 here, 100 here, what will happen? This difference is 1. This difference is what? 100 minus 10, 90. 11, 89. Can you see now the answer will be what? Maximum of 1 and 89 will be 89. You want to reduce this. So another option is 10, 12, 100, 288. Now you will take the maximum of the consecutive difference. 88 is the answer. Can you see that as you are increasing this number, the answer is becoming less and less? I want it to be the minimum answer. So guys, the best answer will be in the middle. What is the difference? It is 10. The best answer will be 10 plus 100 by 2. Guys, I taught you this. This must be taught in your JE preparation in 12th standard. That the midpoint has the minimum distance. If you put a number at the midpoint, this will be y and this will be y and y will be minimum. जब भी बीच में डालोगे ना, बीच में, तो बाजू की दो डिस्टेंसेस का मैक्स एकदम मिन आने वाला है. मिडल रूल, मिडल पाथ, as the Buddha taught you, right? So the best answer is middle. Middle is what? 10 plus 100 by 2. 110 बटे 2 कितने होते बेटा? 55. Congratulations. So 10, 55, 100 is the best answer. Why? Sir, here the distance is 45 and this distance is also 45. Max of 45 comma 45. Max of 45 comma 45. 45. So guys, earlier this difference was 89, then 88. You are able to reduce it to 45. You cannot make it lesser than 45. Because 55 is the middle number. If you take one number bigger than 55, let's take you take 56, then you are doomed. Why? This distance will become 44, but this distance will now become 46, and max of 46 and 44 will be 46. So the midpoint generation happens only when the middle number is 55. It gives both differences 45, and 45 is the minimum number. You need to develop the intuition like this in the interview. You cannot do rote memorization. ये आपको देख के आपके दिमाग में फीलिंग आना चाहिए कि बीच वाला नंबर ही ठूसना है, उससे ही मिनिमम डिफरेंस आएगा. So guys, all react with emojis if the algorithm is clear that you don't have to do anything big. You just have to insert the middle number. Okay? Right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And if there is any doubt, you can ask me. Do you understand that you have to insert the middle number only to get the minimum difference of that cut? Right? Right? Okay. Good. So you understand that, right? Good. Okay. Great job. Now, listen to me very, very carefully. Okay. So what I need to tell you is that the analysis will be what? If we are inserting once one trip between any two trips, it is always optimal, and we assume that n is greater than equal to 2 in this problem. Okay, it is always optimal to insert it in the middle. So try to insert your trip in middle of each two consecutive trips and see which gives the best answer. Okay, so I hope this concept is also clear, that you will try to insert your trip in middle of each of the two consecutive trips and see which gives the best answer. Now guys, you must be thinking that sir, I have a doubt. Okay, you must be thinking that in this case 2, 5, 8, 10, 90. You are thinking, sir, why are you checking, why are you trying to insert here, then you are trying to insert here, then here, then here? Why not directly kill the largest trip? Why not directly kill the trip, why not directly kill the bond which is having the largest difference? Well, I will explain that to you, baby. Don't worry. Let's take a different example. This is a rather easy example, right? See, there could have been an example where, let's say 2 to 10. Okay, 2 to 10. This difference is 8, right? This difference is 8. This difference is 8. Now, another number, let me think which can, yeah, 20. This difference is 10. Now, if you do the old algorithm, you will only try to kill this 10, right? So, what will you do? You will try to kill it. And if you try to kill it, what is going to happen? 10, then 15, then 20. This difference is what? 5. This difference is what? 5. So, your algorithm will say, sir, 5 is the answer. No, 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 but this 8 is also there now. And you can insert only one number. So, now the answer has become 8 instead of 5. So, it is always optimal. It is always optimal to insert your stick everywhere at least one time. You insert your stick here. If you put the stick in the middle of these two numbers, what is the best answer? Calculate that. Then if you insert your stick here, what is the best answer? Calculate that. If you do it like that, it will be the best case scenario. Okay, so like I am not going inside the implementation details, but आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. What you have to do is, guys, hopefully you understood the solution for k equal to 1. Can you see, like, k equal to 1 also requires so much brain. How will you do it for multiple case? Let's say it is x1. All are in increasing order like this. Okay, strictly increasing. So what will you do? You will calculate the answer 1. Answer 1 is what? Answer 1 is when you put your stick in the middle of this. You calculate this distance. You calculate this distance. They both will be equal, obviously. Right? And this distance, I assume you already know these other distances. You already know them. So, all these distances, max of them, let's say y1. So, answer 1 will be what? Max of y1 comma y. Whatever is the maximum. For this case, if you put the stick here. Now, you will calculate the answer when the stick is put in the middle of, Now, calculate the answer if the stick is instead. Answer 1 you have calculated. Answer 2. If you put the stick here, what is going to happen? Let's assume you know that this is Z1 already. You know the other distance is Z2, Z3. You know all this. So answer 2 is obviously max of Z1, Z2, Z3. That thing you already know. But another thing which you need to consider is, this breakup which is happening. You are putting one stick here, right? So this is y2, and let's say this is also y2. They both will be equal. So max of y2 comma max of all the other distances which you already know. Okay, so you can maintain a prefix or suffix array. You can maintain. And why maintaining prefix suffix array is so important? Well, there are so many sticks, right? So you cannot again and again calculate. It is a nice lesson for you to maintain prefix suffix as needed. Why? Let's say you are trying to insert stick here, right? You can calculate this distance easily, but what about others? What about this distance? What about this distance? What about this distance? What about this distance? You need to pre-calculate these distances. All these other distances are nothing but the prefix of the number still here, and these distances are nothing but the prefix of the number, suffix of the number still here. So maximum of this can be maintained and maximum of this suffix can be maintained, and the max of both is the distances you currently have, and the current distance also compare it with the max, and then you get the answer for inserting stick between I to I plus 1, and you will do it for everyone, and then you get the answer for k equal to 1. Can you see, even for k equal to 1 पूरा पानी पानी निकल रहा है, सब जगह से पानी निकल चुका है for k equal to 1. Now how will you get 60 LPA? They are asking for multiple k also. That time you will start crying, right? Because anyways, you don't have to cry. You'll get 60 LPA in your bank account, don't worry. And then half of that you will send to my account because I am your teacher. So na, in India there is a tradition, devote everything to teacher. So after you crack it, half amount in my bank account. You know my GPay, right? Yeah. So guys, how to write the code? Guys, please start writing the code. I know I know we can directly go for greater than equal to k, but for k equal to 1 the interviewer first asked this question. इंटरव्यूअर भी बहुत स्मार्ट है, उसको पता है हो सकता है कि आगे वाले को कुछ भी नहीं आता कोडिंग में, तो वो पहले k इक्वल टू 1 का पूछता है. अगर बंदे को यही नहीं आता, अगर इसको यही नहीं आता k इक्वल टू 1, तो उसको ये पूछना तो इट्स लाइक आस्किंग अ फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट जेई एडवांस क्वेश्चन. तो उसमें टाइम का और पैसों का बर्बादी होने वाला है. इसलिए पहले आपको इंटरव्यूअर k इक्वल टू 1 का पूछता है, देखने के लिए कि इसको कुछ कोडिंग वोडिंग आती है कि नहीं. अगर आपने कर लिया तो वो बोलेगा ये है भाई रियल क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो गॉट द इंटरव्यूअर साइकोलॉजी क्लियर? क्लियर. So in the interview there are always follow-ups which are not in the contest. Okay, because contests are generally same for all, but in interview they have to check the other person level properly. Okay, so guys, start doing the implementation, and I am also writing now the code in front of you. I'm just writing the pseudo code. You guys can start writing your own implementation and submit in your groups, whichever groups you have common with me. Okay, so guys, first is what your n. We assume that the n is greater than equal to 2. Ram Ram. So n is greater than equal to 2. That is assumed. Guys, please focus on the implementation, and we are given a strictly increasing array, right? So let's use one based indexing, and I have this strictly increasing array. Now what will I do? I have to calculate all the adjacent differences, right? So let's start calculating all the adjacent differences, and let's start storing them. Okay, so I will make a prefix array. Guys, prefix array will be what? I hope you understand the programming stuff, right? Prefix array n plus 1, right? And initially all the elements are 0. Now I will just run a simple loop, and our loop will go from 1 till n. Not 1, it will go from 2, right? 2 till n. And I will just calculate the adjacent differences. What is the adjacent difference, guys? It is a of I. Like I know a of I is bigger than a of I minus 1 because strictly increasing array is given to me. You can read that in the question itself. Strictly increasing array is given, guys. I am implementing it here for you, though I said that I will not, but still I think I should. So that's why I'm doing it. Absolute difference of a of I minus a of I minus 1. I got that difference, right? I got that difference. I got that difference, guys. Now what will I do with this difference? I have to store it in the prefix array. Prefix of I is nothing but this difference, but the current difference and all the differences I got till the past I minus 1. So I hope you understand that pref of I maintains. Pref of I क्या करता है? Let's say this is x1, x2, x3, and this is xi. Guys, what will pref of I do? Pref of I will tell you the maximum difference between all these. Let's say this is y1, this difference is y2, this difference is y3, till this difference is yi. So pref of I is nothing but maximum of y1 comma y2 till yi. इसलिए मैं आगे से जा रहा हूं और कैलकुलेट करते जा रहा हूं उस डिफरेंस को फ्रॉम 2 to n and comparing it like this. Always clear? This is also done. Now guys, suffix. How do I write a suffix? Ram Ram. Guys, how I am writing the pseudocode for the suffix. I equal to n minus 1. Please implement with me. बैठे मत रहो, तुम भी कोड लिखो. I greater than equal to 1. I minus minus. The difference will be a of I plus 1 minus a of I. Now, suff of I. Suff of I is what? Whatever difference I got till now. Guys, please focus on this because no one else is going to teach you, recent interview problems which are totally new in nature. I am teaching you, so use it, please. So this is also done, right? I equal to n minus 1. I think so. It's correct. Yeah. Guys, everyone react with emojis if everyone understood till here. सबको यहाँ तक समझ आ गया कि prefix array निकाला है और suffix array निकाला है, which maintains the maximum difference till index I for the prefix as well as the suffix. Clear, guys? And if you have written the code, please submit in your pro group. मैं थोड़ी देर में chat open करूंगा. अगर तुमने code लिख दिया है तो chat में भेज देना, ठीक है? Now, guys, the last thing which I'm writing is what I will try to insert the, you know what we say, sticks from 2 till n. So, guys, what will happen? I am writing here. Insert, try to insert, like insert new number between I and I plus I minus 1. So, guys, how do you insert the new number? I have to insert a new number between, Ram Ram. This is index I and this is index, this is I minus 1. This, just let me show you. I will explain you everything in very much depth. Don't worry. I minus 1. The value is A of I minus 1. This is A of I. So, where will you insert at the middle? Mid is AI plus AI minus 1 by 2. So first I'll calculate the mid. Guys, you also start calculating the mid and start writing and submit the code, okay? A of I minus 1 plus A of I by 2. So calculate the mid. Congratulations. Now what to do? Now I need to know this difference, right? After putting in the middle. I know this is the mid. So this difference y is nothing but mid minus A of I minus 1. So I am implementing it here. Y is nothing but mid minus A of I minus 1. Now what to do? Now all the differences I need to bring in the perspective. So all possible differences are what? One difference is Y which I got. One difference is Y which I got, right? By inserting the stick, one stick here. I can only put one stick. So right now I'm trying to put the one stick between I minus 1 and I. So the two differences are Y. So I will take Y only, right? And another, all the prefix differences till I minus 1. And all the suffixes differences till A of I. Can you see such a nice problem, right? So all the prefix differences till I minus 1. That will also be compared. All the suffix differences, I know this is very satisfying. You have applied sorting, like not sorting, you have applied the greedy concept and prefix suffix, all are getting used. Great job. Nice, awesome. So everything is getting used, but yeah, be careful. You can declare it like, in suffix case, declare it as n plus 2 just to be safe. Okay, we are calculating the difference from year to year, right? So yeah, because here it is n, it can go till n plus 1. Okay, it's safe, it's safe. I can just put it n plus 1 here, okay? So guys, P is one of the possible answer. What is P? P is one of the possible answer if I finally, after doing all this drama, P is the answer if I put a stick between I minus 1 till I. So I got the answer for putting the stick there. Now I need to calculate the answer of putting the stick in A of I and I plus 1. Like this, I will calculate answer for each of the two indices, right? So guys, P is the answer. Now, I need the maximum of all the P's, right? Let me check. I don't need the maximum of all the P's. I need the minimum of all the P's, right? Yeah, I need the minimum of all the P's. So let me write here. Uh, hmm. Answer as int max. I need the minimum of all P. Answer equal to min of answer comma P. So guys, all react with emojis if I all have understood everything and it's all clear, no one has any doubt. So we can go ahead now, okay? So first thing, this should be clear that, yeah, always sorted, we put in the middle like this. And if there is something, we will, you can write the actual C++ Java Python implementation. DS is language agnostic. So hopefully this pseudo code is clear to you and you are understanding how to deal with new problem, okay? So that's clear. Just let me, load it for you. Guys, react with emojis. Did everyone understand everything here? uh, yeah, I'm going to open the Google chat. Either write yes sir or submit your codes. Okay, so I'm just writing the logic here. Logic is not the logic, actually directly the code. Logic and the pseudo code is there. Now guys, we will try for k greater than equal to 1. Okay, so before we go that, I need the input from the people. Either write yes sir, or write your doubt, or write the in the Google chat if you need the document, or some doubt, or send your code. So guys, tell me yes sir or something. I've opened the Google chat. You understood till here, right? The basic stuff going on. All people understood everything, right? Thank you Hadia Sheikh for submitting the code, guys. So congratulations to Hadia Sheikh, guys. Give congratulation emojis to her. She's a very regular student. Daily comes to classes, and she has submitted the code also, prefix and suffix. So she understands this, right? Good, guys. Congratulations emojis for her. Okay. Now, guys, I want you to think about this for 1 minute. I'm just giving you a 1 minute here, okay? 1 मिनट के लिए डीपली सोचो कि k इक्वल टू 1 तो कर लिया अब मैं. If they I asked you to put more than one stick in the middle, what will you do? You can put sticks anywhere. Now what will you do? Think about it. Use your brain. Think about it. Giving you the time. कहाँ डालोगे और कैसे डालोगे? डबल मीनिंग मत सोचने लग जाना. Okay? Only multiple sticks are there. Think about how will you place them to get the answer minimum maximum difference. Okay, so guys, think about it. Yeah, खुद को अभी समझ में आया. Think about it, guys. Only 10 seconds remaining. Think about it. Okay, some thoughts can always come in your mind. Okay, so never worry about it. So guys, I hope you have thought about it. Okay, a little bit. Some ideas must have come in your brain, right? I just assume that. So some thoughts must have come. Think about it. Think about it. There is no, there is no rush. We can do it easily. As much time as we want, we can take. There is no rush. In Kumar Kesar program, everything is chill and calm. No rush. Never a rush. Okay. All things just going great. So let's start the procedure now. Okay. So guys, now the thing is that whenever a tough problem comes in life, I taught you the thinking process for it, right? Guys, what is the thinking process whenever the problem seems difficult? I have taught this in many videos, okay, in many sessions, and this will eventually help you solve this question also. So just think about it, what to do. The hard problem has come now. You know now what is happening here. Now they are saying that, hey bro, you are given like this: x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, like this. And let's say they are telling you three sticks. You can put these three sticks anywhere. After putting these three sticks, whatever is the maximum consecutive difference, that should be minimum. That's what they are saying. Before going towards the solution, guys, जब भी ऐसा लाइफ में हो तो आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना है? I taught this. I will be opening the Google chat and you have to write. Always discuss for small cases, for small values of n. What will be happening if n was 2, n was 3, like this. So guys, whenever a tough problem comes in front of you, what do you do first? Write in the Google chat. What do you do first? Write it, guys. Write it. We discuss for small cases. Write small cases in the Google chat. Okay. So let's try to think what is happening for small cases. Okay, and that will eventually give you the answer for big cases of life. Okay, so small cases. Okay, so let's say you are only given, let's say k equal to 2. You can put two sticks, baby. Okay, okay sir, and let's say the number, only two numbers are there. Okay, n equal to 2. This is 10 and this is 20. This is 10, this is 20. You can feel it, I can also feel it. Okay, okay, sir. Okay, fine, sir. If I was told to put one stick, I would be putting it here, right? I would be putting somewhere in the middle. I would be putting somewhere in the middle. This difference is what? This difference is freaking 10. If I put one stick in the middle, this difference is 10, right? If I put one stick in the middle, this the difference becomes 5 and 5, right? Right? Yes, sir. 5 would be the answer. If I was allowed to put only one stick, now you're allowed to put two sticks. Everyone use your brain and tell me what will be the optimal differences if you're putting two sticks between a single range. It's a nice problem indeed, baby. It's a nice problem indeed. Let's say trying to put two sticks. I will give you a hint. The total difference is what? 10. If you put two sticks, this 10 will be divided in three parts. These three parts should have equal values so that the difference is minimum. So that all the three lengths are minimum. Or else one of the three lengths will become bigger. Tell me that if you put two sticks, what should be the three differences coming out? You know that this length is 10. You are allowed to put two sticks and divide this length. How will you divide? You know that answer, guys. You're a Kumar case student. You know the answer. Tell me where will you put the sticks, or just tell me that what will. Now we are going in the deeper section. ये बताओ कि तुमको पता है कि ये 10 है, तुमको पता है ये 20 है, तुमको बोला है कि दो स्टिक्स डालनी है भाई, ठीक है, ओके सर, तुमको पता है ये लेंथ 10 है, सब पता है तुमको, तुम तो पूरे भगवान बन चुके हो. जोक्स अपार्ट, ये लेंथ 10 है, कहां डालूं मैं दो? What are the best two places? Tell me the exact coordinates. Let's see what people say in the Google chat. Tell me the exact coordinates will you put. This is 10 coordinate, this is 20. बाकी की दो स्टिक्स कहां पर डालूंगा मैं? So guys, can you all use your brain and tell me at which coordinates will you be putting your sticks now? 12 and 17 wrong, Sukirat. 13, 16 correct, 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 Sachin. Oh, congratulations, 13 and 16. Why 13 is 16 is correct? Can anyone tell me why? One stick I'll put at 13, another at 16. Why will this work? This difference is 3. 13 to 16, this difference is 3. 16 to 20, this distance is 4. This is the best optimal case. Why? All the numbers are very very similar and very close to each other and the max difference is coming as 4. अगर सुकीरत जैसा करते तो क्या हो जाता? बताता हूँ क्या हो जाता. 10, 12, 17 और 20 तो क्या हो जाता? ये तो कम आता सुकीरत, ये आता 2, ये आता 3, बट एक जो मिडल डिफरेंस है 5 हो जाता. 253 का मैक्स 5 आ जाता. व्हाट लग गई here? Because all are evenly distributed. Now the maximum difference is the smallest 4. Did it go in your head, Sukirat? Right? Yes, everyone in the Google chat, guys, if you understand. Arey Ankita, Priya, we cannot put it at a decimal number. We have to decide some integers, okay? हाँ कुछ मतलब देख रहे हो क्या लिखा है? 13.3, 16.6. Anyways, you guys understand that, right? So guys, what is the solution? Can anyone tell me? But it should be strictly increasing. हाँ तो 13 और 16 strictly increasing नहीं है क्या? अरे the differences don't need to be strictly increasing. The coordinates where you are putting the sticks, they needs to be strictly increasing. Sahil Jindal ji, where is your focus, Sahil Jindal? तुम्हारा नाम सुन के निशान जिंदल दिमाग में आ रहा है. Anyways, so now listen to me carefully. Listen to me very very carefully. What is the mathematical algorithm? I give you any random x. I am not talking about your x. Don't go into those thoughts. Come back to the question. Normal x. वही सोचते रहते हो तुम और कुछ तुम्हारा दिमाग खाली है, वही चलता है. दिस इज वाई. अब ऐसे ही करोगे तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आई यूज आई कोमा जे, नॉट एक्स कोमा वाई. बहुत लोग का तो रियल एक्स भी नहीं था, क्या ही बोलो, जाने दो. सो एक्स एंड वाई, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. दिस डिफरेंस इज व्हाट? डी. डिफरेंस इज डी. एंड तुमको बोल रखा है कि भाई क्या बोलते हैं, वी वांट टू पुट के स्टिक्स. So what will you do? Let's say D is 10 and K is 2. So you should know that you are going to make K plus 1 parts. Okay. So D will be divided by K plus 1. This is the answer. D divided by K plus 1. क्यों? Because 10 will be divided in 3 parts ना. अरे जानते नहीं हो क्या? ये 10 का पार्ट है. अगर 2 स्टिक डाल रहे हो तो 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड होगा ना. तो D को K plus 1 से डिवाइड करो. क्या आता है? 3 आता है. It is not exactly divisible. मतलब this plus 1 4 is the answer. D by K plus 1. If D modulo K plus 1 is equal to 0, answer is D by K plus 1. Or else the answer is D by K plus 1 plus 1. So guys, everyone write the formula what they understood till now. I am writing this brilliant observation in the document that if we are, okay, if we are given 2 points x to y and allowed to put k sticks. So you know that D will be what? D will be y minus x. So if k modulo D plus 1 not equal to 0, the minimum difference will be what? K by D plus 1 plus 1. Else the minimum possible difference will be uh, K by D plus 1. Always remember the answer should be something simple only. So you want for K equal to 2 if you have to put the 2 sticks. Now guys, what to do in general case? Can anyone tell me what to do in the general case? React with emojis if you are ready to listen what to do for the general case. This will only give the answer actually, okay? So guys, what do they want? What do they want? What do they want? Let's say x1 is given, x2 is given, x3 is given. These are the differences. These are the differences. Let's say this difference is y1 and this difference is y2. Okay. They want the max of y1 comma y2 to be as small as possible. No one is going to explain you with this much depth, I can guarantee. Okay. Let's say these are the points. They want y1 comma y2 to be as max of y1 comma y2 to be as small as possible. Okay. So guys, we can try a number. We can try some numbers. We can try some numbers. Everyone write in your pro group. We can try some numbers. We can try some numbers. Let us try answer equal to 1. Answer equal to 1. It means, is it possible that every consecutive range has such a nice concept, right? We will try to bring the answer as 1. Guys, react with love emojis if you have understood in which direction it is going. जब भी मैं मल्टीपल बार ट्राई बोलता हूँ समझ रहे हो ना क्या हो रहा है? हाँ ठीक है. So first we will try to bring the answer as 1. क्यों 1 से ट्राई कर रहे हो? अरे उन्होंने बोला है मिनिमम चाहिए ना, तो 1 से छोटा आंसर आ सकता है क्या? नहीं ना. ठीक है, 1 ट्राई करेंगे. 1 का मतलब, is it possible such that every consecutive range has difference? Every consecutive range has a difference of less than equal to 1. Guys, everyone has to write agreed in the Google chat if they agree that, let's say this is a range. x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. If this difference is also less than equal to 1, this difference is also less than equal to 1, this difference is also less than equal to 1, this difference is also less than equal to 1, then you can declare that yes, 1 is the answer. Why? अरे जब सबका डिफरेंस 1 या 1 से छोटा है तो इसका मैक्सिमम भी तो 1 या 1 से छोटा ही आएगा ना. What I mean to say is that if all the ranges If all the ranges have their consecutive differences less than equal to 1, answer will also be less than equal to 1. Okay. So I'm writing here, is it possible that every consecutive range? It means answer less than equal to 1 is possible. Clear? Clear? Everyone write yes sir in the Google chat if they understand what we are trying. They have told us to tell the minimum answer now, so I'm trying with 1. Is it possible that every consecutive range has the difference less than equal to 1? If yes, it means answer less than equal to 1 is possible. इसी को घोषित कर दीजिए, सो जाइए. Clear? So guys, react with love emojis if you want to see a clear demonstration of this. There are hundreds of similar problems exactly same like this of other OAN interview in our 850-hour course. If you are doing it properly, you must be knowing the full answer by now. This is such a nice problem, right? You might not have imagined this kind of application to Uber 60 LPSD interview problem. Now, focus back. Listen. Now, guys, you will solve. I will not do anything. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Guys, this is given to you. This is given to you. You are given 2 sticks. You are given 2 sticks. 258 is given to you. You are given 2 sticks. You are trying for answer equal to 1. Answer equal to 1 के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? See guys, 258 is given to you. 2 sticks are given to you. You want answer equal to 1. I will open the Google chat. Everyone has to tell me for answer equal to 1, what is the condition which you need? Guys, अगर मुझे answer 1 लाना है, because the question also said, right, minimum answer. If I want the answer as 1, then what should happen? All the consecutive range differences should be less than equal to 1. So guys, write in the Google chat. If I want the answer as 1, what is the condition needed? I'm trying to get the answer as 1. What do you think? What is the condition needed? Anyone write in the Google chat, whoever is there. To get the answer as 1, all the consecutive differences. Ojasvi, I'm not asking for that. I am saying answer अगर 1 चाहिए तो क्या होना चाहिए? All the consecutive differences need to be less than equal to 1. Clear? Clear? So guys, how will you make all the consecutive differences less than equal to 1? Let's try to address this range. This is 2. This is 5. This difference is what? This difference is 3. You want it to be 1. So 3 by answer. What is 3 by answer? 3 by answer, 3 by 1. Because this length is 3, you want to divide it in parts such that each part is 1. Right? So how many sticks will you need? How many sticks will you need? How many sticks will you need? So for each range from let's say for each range from x to y, how many sticks you need? How many sticks you need so that all the differences in this range are less than equal to 1? The answer will be d by 1. D by 1 minus 1. दिख रहा है ना तुमको? ये ये 3 लेंथ का है, 3 लेंथ का है, तो 3 by 1 क्या होता है? 3 minus 1 2. 2 स्टिक्स लगेंगी, 2 लकड़ियां. 1 stick here, another stick here. So this distance also 1, this distance also 1, this distance also 1. So you need 2 sticks here. 1 stick at 3, another stick at 4. Wow, 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 awesome. Similarly, guys, how many sticks I require here? How many sticks I require here? How many sticks I require to solve the range 5 to 8 such that it is guaranteed that all the adjacent differences are less than equal to 1? I will open the Google chat. I want my intelligent students to tell me. You can easily use this formula. Formula will be the difference between x and y divided by answer, whatever answer you are trying, minus 1. Okay, so agar 5, if I want to solve the range 5 to 8, I want that in the range 5 to 8 every difference is equal to 1. How many sticks do I need? Guys, answer in the Google chat. All the 40 people who are fully focused. बताओ 5 से 8 के बीच में कितनी लकड़ियां डालोगे? लड़कियों की बात नहीं, लकड़ियों की बात कर रहा हूं. कितनी लकड़ियां डालोगे बीच में कि सारा डिफरेंस 1 1 आ जाए? 6 और 7 पे डालोगे ना, 2. 2 sticks. So guys, 2 sticks here. Total how many sticks? 4 sticks. Total how many sticks you need to achieve answer 1? 4 sticks. But you have only 2 sticks. You failed your task. You need at least 4 sticks to achieve answer equal to 1. But तुमको तो 2 ही stick दिया है. So guys, react with emoji. Can you achieve answer equal to 1 in this test case? Can you achieve answer equal to 1 with 2 sticks? No, you need 4 sticks. You need 4 sticks. So I'm writing it here. So total sticks required to achieve the answer. Calculate it. If the total sticks you require is less than equal to k, means answer equal to 1 is possible. Else guys, तुम फेल हो गए. बहुत रोना आ रहा है, बहुत दुख हो रहा है, बहुत दुख हो रहा है जिंदगी में. अब क्या करेंगे? यूपीएससी देने चले थे, फेल हो गए. So you were trying for answer equal to 1. You were trying for answer equal to 1. What was the condition? All the consecutive ranges should have the difference equal to 1 or less than equal to 1. But for that you calculate total sticks 4 चाहिए थे, 2 फेल हो गए. अब क्या करोगे? For answer equal to 1 you have failed. Now what will you do? You are a very good guy. You tried for answer equal to 1. नहीं चला. अरे तो रोना थोड़ी है. Now what will you try? They asked you for the minimum answer. You tried for 1 like an honest young guy. You failed it. Now for which number will you try to get the answer? Open the Google chat. सब लोग अपना दिमाग लगा के बताओ. अगर 1 फेल हो गया तो क्या ट्राई करोगे? सबसे छोटा नंबर 1 था, वो फेल हो गया. 2, you will try 2. Write everyone in the Google chat. Try answer equal to 2. ओजस्वी, write it clearly. Try answer equal to 2. तुम्हारे दिमाग में डीपली घुसनी चाहिए ये चीजें. That's why you need live training. Okay? Good. ओजस्वी, तुमको भी लिखना पड़ेगा अच्छे से. लिखिए try answer equal to 2. Okay, good job. Nice. Great. So all have written this. Fine. So guys, react with love emoji if everyone in this meeting is ready to try for answer equal to 2. All ready, all set? Guys, start writing the codes also, okay? तो चलिए 2 को भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं. Now I will try for answer equal to 2. For 2, what should happen, guys? All the consecutive ranges should have the difference less than equal to 2. Should have the difference less than equal to 2. So guys, बताओ, how many sticks you need to put in the range 2 to 5 so that all the differences in this range are less than equal to 2? कितनी लकड़ियां डालने की जरूरत है 2 से 5 में? Can anyone write its answer in the Google chat? Let's see what the intelligent people are writing. How many sticks do you need to put in 2 to 5? 1 stick, correct. Why 1 stick, guys? Can anyone give the explanation? See, this is 2, this is 5. The difference is 3. Okay. You want this difference to become 2. So, कौन से number से divide करोगे? You will divide it by answer which you are trying. So 3/2. 3/2 कितना होता है? 3/2. You want the answer to be 2, right? So 3/2. 1. So 1 stick you will put. Where will you put the 1 stick? In the middle, right? You put it here at 3. So this difference is what? 1. This difference is 2. Guys, can you see all the differences are less than equal to 2? That's what you wanted. By putting 1 stick here, all the differences are less than equal to 2. So you put just 1 stick there. Clear? 3 by answer. But guys, be careful. If d modulo answer is equal to 0, then you, how many sticks you need? Then you need d divided by answer minus 1 sticks. Else, how many sticks you need? D divided by answer. For any range, this is the formula to calculate the number of sticks. Guys, what is the formula to calculate the number of sticks? Sticks for the range x to y is nothing but what? D divided by answer. But you need to be careful. If d mod answer is equal to 0, if it is perfectly divisible, you need to decrease 1. Like you can see when 3 mod 1 is 0, तो 2 stick लगा था 3 की जगह. Then the answer is d by answer minus 1. Done, done. Else, if d mod answer, like I am explaining you in very much detail because you are my student in the live training class cohort. So now, if that's not the case, the answer is D by answer. Congratulations. Great job. Okay. Everyone ready? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If they all agree that they know what to do. Okay. So guys, in this case, I'm explaining you in front of you only. Guys, everyone has to write yes, sir. So now guys, we will go directly. Directly बताओ सब लोग. To solve this range, how many sticks we need? जल्दी लिखो आंसर. जल्दी लिखो. अब मैं पूछूंगा भी नहीं फॉर्मूला. बस आंसर बताओ. कितना स्टिक्स चाहिए? To solve 2 to 5. How many sticks do we need? 1. How many sticks do we need to solve the next range? 5 to 8. How many sticks do we need? How many sticks do we need for 5 to 8? 1. Total, how many sticks we need? 1 here, total 2. 2 sticks needed and we do have 2 sticks with us. So answer is possible. Answer equal to 2 is possible. This is the solution. Else, try answer equal to 2. For answer equal to 2, try the same algorithm. If you pass, this is the answer. Else, try for answer equal to 3. So guys, that's it. You can code it up, right? You will run a for loop. You will start from 1 and you will keep on going ahead until you get the answer. The pattern will be like this. F, 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 F. I know you can use binary search. T, 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 T. Okay. Now, why is it like that? Guys, can anyone tell me why the initial values will always fail and as the answer becomes bigger, it is always possible? क्या कोई दिमाग यूज करके बता सकता है ऐसा क्यों है? For this case, you can see 2, 5, 8. You had 2 sticks, right? You had 2 sticks. For answer equal to 1, you required 4 sticks. You needed 4 sticks. For answer equal to 2, you need 2 sticks. For answer equal to 3, this is already 3, bro. This is already 3, bro. No stick is needed. 0 stick. For answer equal to 4, 4 means you want all the adjacent differences less than equal to 4. They are already less than equal to 4. So you again need 0 sticks. Like this, for answer equal to 5, you again need 0 sticks. So guys, can you see? As the answer increases, k value decreases. Because the k value is decreasing, one day it will reach our required k for sure. And after that, all the answer values will be valid only. So first it failed. Once it succeeds, it's always succeeding. Like this is the life also. If once you get a very big success in life, you will always stay successful if you follow the proper path. Feeling. People are not teaching with the feeling. I am trying to give you the feeling. Feeling क्या है कि जब भी हम छोटा आंसर ट्राई करते हैं ना, आंसर इक्वल टू 1, तो हमको समझो वी आर रिक्वायरिंग वेरी लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्टिक्स. But when you try for bigger answers na, like this k value decreases, and ultimately it becomes 0. Let's say your k was 2. Because this is decreasing, this will someday become 2 and that will be your minimum answer. So The format is always like this. The initial answers will fail. Once the answer is succeeding, it will always be true. Now someone will be asking me, guys, write yes sir, yes sir, yes sir in the Google chat if all these things are clear to you people. Yeah, great job. Nice. So, what was the deep meaning? Please know that, yeah, answer equal to 1 means, is it possible that every consecutive range has difference less than equal to 1? It means answer less than equal to 1 is possible. Then, if it is not possible, you try for 2. Okay, so I will, try to clear up the meaning also. When you are trying for 1, it means you are asking, is it possible that the answer is less than equal to 1? Is it possible? Let's say the answer comes as no. When you are trying for 2, you are asking, is it possible that all the consecutive differences are less than equal to 2? Then the answer final max will also be less than equal to 2. Let's say this comes as yes. What is the meaning of this statement? 1 or less than equal to 1 is not possible. 2 and less than equal to 2 is possible. Matlab answer is 2. Why? 0, 1, 2. This statement is saying answer less than equal to 1 not possible. Means 0 is not possible, 1 is not possible. This statement is saying answer less than equal to 2 is possible. Means this statement is saying this is possible and others might be possible. But ये दोनों no है. मतलब exactly 2 is the answer. So similarly guys, like I'm trying to give you a very very deep understanding. Try equal to 1. Try equal to 2. And Vikram, you are an external student. If you work hard, you will get the job. If you don't have guidance, you can message me on my number. Try equal to 5, try equal to 6. Like this. Okay. Now, this means you're asking, is answer less than equal to 1 possible? Let's say the answer is no. This meaning is the answer less than equal to 2 possible? Let's say the answer is no. Is the answer less than equal to 3 possible? Answer is no. Is the answer less than equal to 4 possible? Let's say the answer is no. Is the answer less than equal to 5 possible? Let's say our function says yes. F means not possible, not possible, not possible. Ultimately, it will be possible because the k value is decreasing. As you try for bigger answers, you require less ticks. So one day it will be less than your k given also. This has become true. Once it becomes possible, now it is always possible for the bigger ones because they will require even lesser sticks. Okay? And someday it will start requiring 0 sticks. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है कि लेस देन इक्वल टू 4 चल ही नहीं रहा है. Means if these are the points of answers, if I coordinate them, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is not working, less than equal to 4 is not, but less than equal to 5 is working, means exactly 5 is working. Oh my goodness. Guys, did everyone understand react with immense number of emojis? Okay. Guys, react with emojis, everyone understood till the end. Anyone, as if anyone has any doubt, they can ask me in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. So guys, we will first implement the linear search solution. Guys, everyone react with emojis if the linear search is clear. Linear search will be what? Try for answer equal to 1 till the bigger values until all conditions satisfied. And this will be very simple. What? Binary search. Binary search. And find the first occurrence of t. Guys, this is like this only na. Initially, like if I try to make the graph for you people, how is the graph looking like? There are many such problems in our 850-hour course of binary search, so please check it out. So guys, what I'm trying to say, if I try to make the graph for the answer, it is, whenever the answer is not possible, it is f f f f, then it is t t t t t t t t t t. Array, so you can do a binary search on answer, right? Low equal to 1. This is 1. And high will be what? Let's say high is equal to infinity or a very big value. Okay. You will first try for the mid value. For the mid value, you try the answer. The answer is coming as f. It means the answer can only be in the right range. And if it is coming as t, it means the first occurrence of t is in the left side. So you find the first occurrence of t. This is the breaking point. This is the smallest place where the answer became true. This is the smallest possible answer. binary search and find binary search and knowledge is the answer. Knowledge and daily hard work is the answer to every problem in your life. And find the answer for first occurrence of t. And like if I try to ask you, low will be what? 0. High will be, let's say, a very big value. Or you can take the maximum consecutive difference in the original array, okay, if you want. Mid is what? Low plus high by 2. If you try your answer as mid and let's say it fails, it means your answer is in the range what? True answer is in the range. अब तुमको भी ये बात दिख ही रही होगी कि भाई अगर ये हमको दिया हुआ है, this is given to us, okay, f f f f f f f f f f f f f t t t t t t t like this, okay. This is your low, this is your high, this is your mid. Mid is, let's say you're trying the answer as mid, this is coming as false, means you need to try a bigger value. Bigger value is in this range, so now you need to update your low as mid plus 1. So hopefully you guys understood this thing. I'm just writing it one more time for you. So answer is in the range mid plus 1 till high. And if try answer equal to mid succeeds, true answer, there are two possibilities of true answer. True answer is mid or in the range mid minus 1 to low. अगर तुम्हारा ट्रू आ गया तो गाइस क्या होगा, कभी सोचा है? अगर तुम रैंडमली पिक मार रहे हो, लेट्स से तुम रैंडम पिक मार रहे हो, ठीक है, योर मिड केम लाइक दिस and it gave the answer as true. This index might be the answer, but this is not the final answer because you want the minimum possible true, which is this guy. So what you will do when it comes as the answer, you will say, okay, mid is a possibility, this index is a possibility, but I will also try in this remaining range of low till mid minus 1 because there can be some t's here also. I need the first occurrence of t, beta. By the way, when your binary search reaches here, your low will be something till here, I assume. It can be anything, but still. So guys, all react with emojis if everything is clear to everyone, okay? And I'm just writing here for formality that you will write low equal to mid plus 1. And here you will write high equal to mid minus 1. I have solved everything, okay? You must be understanding everything and everything is clear in your brain. Clear, guys? So with the name of God, Ram Ram.